Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zahwa Rizkika Herning Tias, NIM G1D02510010, Class Mathematics A. Here I will present about religion. In my opinion, after watching Sharif Zapata video entitled Reason Why Foreigners Live Together Before Marriage or Q&A, I believe that we should believe in the existence of religion because religion provides direction and purpose in life. This belief help us understand the meaning of life and guides our behavior in a better direction. Therefore, as human beings, we must believe in religion, have faith, and have the obligation to worship regularly. For example, I am a Muslim and I must worship every day. Worship is a form of gratitude and thanks to God, who created us and gave us the opportunity to live in this world. In the video, there are several people shown as followers of Protestant Christianity. In my opinion, they should also perform worship regularly, such as attending worship every week, instead of doing it really. Likewise, some people in the video do not have a religion or do not believe in God and identify themselves as atheists. I believe that they should still believe in God and perform worship because the life they have is also a gift from the Creator. Furthermore, I believe that life does not end after death. Therefore, we should believe in the existence of heaven and hell as place of recompense for our deeds in the world, rather than not believing in them. That is why we are encouraged to increase our age of worship while we are still alive. The worship that we perform will become profession when we face God later. By worshiping consistently, we hope to attain a good place in the hereafter, namely heaven. However, if we really worship or do not worship at all, then we will go to hell. Based on this reason, I don't agree with the response of the people in the video. This is based on verses in the Al-Quran that state the obligation to worship, namely Surah Az-Zariyat verse 56, which state, "And I did not create the jinn and mankind except to worship me," and Surah Al-Baqarah verse 21, which say, "All mankind worship your Lord who created you and those before you, that you may become right." Those in attention, the Bible also state the obligation to worship, namely Deuteronomy chapter 6 verse 13 and IV, which say, "Fear the Lord your God, serve him only, and take your oath in his name." That is all for my presentation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.